Hello everyone and welcome to another 1 Minute with Belzona. My name is John Ferrer and I'm a chemical engineer for the Technical Service Department. In this video, we're going to talk about how Belzona can repair and maintain swimming pool facilities with minimal downtime. Swimming pool facilities contain a number of areas that work together to guarantee a safe experience to the many daily visitors. These areas can be exposed to moisture and chemicals throughout years of operation, and as a result, they can suffer from corrosion and erosion damage as well as chemical attack. Belzona has developed a wide range of products that can solve these issues and extend operation times of the facility and equipment while causing minimal downtime. Belzona products can repair a wide range of areas and surfaces composed of concrete, metal, and more. A few examples are pool basins, pool deck area, mechanical rooms, roofs, walls, parking lots, HVAC systems, plumbing, water filtration, and purification. These are just some examples of how Belzona can help and improve swimming pool facilities. I hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.